favorite for the champions in their 100th year is Kingston College. Yeah, and they won by a gap. Before champs, we heard that it might be close. It was close in the girls section, certainly not close in the boys section. Kingston College, I think they won by what, 63 and a half or something like that points. Yeah, 63 and a quarter over Calabar. Coaches Marlon Perry, Richard Smith are here. Donovan Germain is the manager. He's also here. And a couple of the athletes we have with us, Despero Ray, Class 1 shot put gold medalist, and Daniel Clark, Class 1 sprint silver medalist and 4x1 gold medalist. Morning, everyone.
Morning,
congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.
Wow.
Pride of place goes to the manager, who is my brother, so no can go and sit down. I'm in my load at this morning. By the way, can someone pick up his shoe first, if you don't mind, Richard? Look at this. Look at this. I both say bell.
Listen to me now.
Yeah, them so said. How you feel? I mean, yeah, there it is.
Oh, mercy me, Fort is forever. I did not see that. I thought it was the purple shoes.
As I said in a serious way, Donovan, before some of us, not me, because I'm not one of the experts, were saying that it could be a close champ. So how did you feel before going in this year?
Well, we have a gentleman by the name of Rafiq in Kingston College, a math teacher. He told us from day one we're going to win by 50 points. So all we were around, it's going to be close. We knew within ourselves that we had the potential to win by 50 points.
Yeah. And Coach Marlon, you're the Decathlon coach.
Yes, I am.
How tough is that? When you say Decathlon coach, you coach all disciplines in the Decathlon, or you have a specific one?
I'm actually the coordinator.
Okay.
So I actually assist the coaches with organizing that athlete to ensure that he's at all the areas.
Okay.
As you know, it's 10 events at champs, but there are 4 areas. So he has to go to the throws, the jumps, and the sprints, and pole vault. So 4 main areas. 110 hurdles, 100, long jump, high jump, shot put, discus, javelin, pole vault, and long jump.
The man you agree
this one athlete.
They used to call him the greatest athlete in the world. The person who win the Decathlon at the Olympics.
Wow.
So it is not an easy feat. I was telling the producer backstage that when he goes to champs and he does his events, after each, he starts in the morning at 9 and he doesn't leave the room. There's a quarantine room after each event. So every 2 hours he has an event. So he starts the first event, then the marshals carry him into a room where all the decathletes are locked away. Don't come out any at all. Second event, they do it, go back in. Wow. So in between those events, I have to be ensuring that he has water, meal, rehydration, and all of that. And after each event, you have to coordinate with the coaches now that the next event is shot put in a chose coach. Make sure you can reach by 1 o'clock. Because you know other events going on. So that's the logistics that I am in charge of.
Fantastic.
Oh my God, I have to ask you about the training though for an athlete like that though.
It's the most rigorous.
Yeah, you hear athletes on the track talk about, you know, the early morning kind of vibe, but this is how many sports are there?
10 events.
10 events.
So 5 on day 1 and 5 on day 2 at champs.
It's a lot of training for.
It's a lot of training.
How far in advance do you get an athlete like that ready though to participate in champs?
As pre-season starts, you have to identify the athlete who will be able to do all 10 events and complete the 10 events at champs.
Yeah.
So, you know, there are a lot of talented athletes who have been exposed to these events, the broader events. So they usually go for those athletes. So a class 3 athletes who did like hurdles, long jump, and high jump, that's a good base. Yeah. So they say, all right, he's exposed to so many events, we can teach him the other ones.
All right. Coach Richard, you're what, 400?
Yes, sir.
How do your guys do?
Well, we did do very, very well, you know. I got a Quinella in the class 1, boys.
Quinella, I mean first and second.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, right. Yes. Learning today, hey, I'm in school.
First and second, both of them run under 46 seconds, 45.84 and 45.90. I got a first place in the class 2 boys as well. JC Peter, the only class 2 boy that run 47 this year, came 4th as well in the class 2. So pretty much we did very well. I also had one of my 400-meter runners who were in the 200 meters, came 3rd overall as well.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Despero Ray, nice name. Class 1 shot put gold medalist. I don't have to tell you which one is this pure. Because I know the man them are like me, so it's not sure not. Why the shot put?
I went to Kingston College for sprints. I was originally a sprinter. And then I just found a love for the sport of shot put. It looked very interesting. I went and gave it a shot. I've been at it for...
you give the shot put a shot.
Yes.
I've been at it for 5 years now, so it feels really good to get a medal in this event after trying for so long. And again, my coach, I have to say, thank you to my coach, because the work it takes, the mental pain I had to go through to learn the technique. Because before, 2 years back, I was actually doing the glide technique, which is a very simple technique. So the transition this season to the full term was really what helped me to reach, get the gold medal.
I love your humility, because first you said to get a medal. Well, brother, you get the biggest medal them have to.
Just saying.
Congrats.
Yeah. And then Daniel, you did 2, right? You did the 110. That's the hurdles, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you got silver in that one, and 4x100 gold medalist. What was that like? Walking away with those medals.
Well, it was a great feeling knowing my abilities. I went in the 110-meter hurdles with confidence, of course, because I had the fastest time going into the finals. So I went in with confidence, but the DQ me the night before, so it was very, heartbreaking for me. It really gave me some doubts in my mind and, really messed me up off my game. So going into the finals, I slept in the blocks to, kind of don't false start like the night before. Or so they say, false started, but I didn't actually. So I slept in the blocks, came out, hit the first hurdle, and it threw me off, but I managed to get a medal, which is second place.
Yeah.
So
And I
I'm
saw
very
that.
grateful.
I saw that. And obviously, the fact that they brought you back would suggest that you didn't false start in the first place.
That is it.
60 false starts. I've
Wow.
never seen anything like that. And I've seen, for the first time, a retroactive false start, which means they ran the race done, couple of hours later, you did false start. Never seen that before. Donovan, I heard what you said about going in and kind of feeling you would win. But when did you feel a win? On the day, when did you think that in the champs that, man, we win this?
We win from day one.
Yeah.
In a serious way.
No, seriously,
Yeah.
You see, Rafiq showed us at the point that Calabar would have gotten close to us. And he said, it's going to happen there, but don't worry, because the events after that is all KC. So we shouldn't worry about it. So the champs played out exactly how Rafiq said it would have played out.
Yeah, that's a math teacher, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but in terms of the iconic year that you are celebrating, though, Kingston College, 100 years, right? You guys set out with the mission of really making it a milestone year in
Yes.
everything that you're participating in, right?
Yes, of course.
It was set out on our vision board that we wanted to actively go for every title on offer in our 100th year. I mean, if you don't have a vision, you're just wandering. So that's why other teams were actually planning for us, because we actually said that we want to win as much titles as possible in our 100th year. And the Lord blessed us, and we have won Manning Cup, under 14.
Well, you don't win Manning Cup in a 100 year yet.
No, it's a school year. It's a school year. It's a school year. It's a school
There
year.
it is. Okay.
You win it last year. No, we argued. I'm going to argue. You win it last year, which was your 99th year.
Oh,
And
Lord.
School year. The school year. The school year, man. So here we
Yes.
go.
Take the glory.
Yeah, you realize.
So we won
George
Manning
did it.
Cup in our 100th year, which is the school year. We won under 14.
The man have a narrative. Let him stick to it. Yes,
Under
sir. Tell your
14
story.
All Ireland.
Yes, yes.
We won the Manning Cup, Olivia Shield. We have won lacrosse. And yesterday we qualified for the hockey final.
What you say?
We're in the
No, man.
T20 cricket final as well.
Yeah.
You guys
By the
do
way,
for it.
It's Jarvis them beating a lacrosse final.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
you know,
But
some
I'm
people-
very good.
How you feeling? How you feeling this morning?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a Brendan man.
Oh, okay, all right.
I had 4 brothers who went to KC. I hate all of them.
And Abel played on the lacrosse team.
I know.
Really?
Yeah, man.
I know. Kingston College,
But you
outstanding.
understand, say you're disappointed you never come, Casey. You tell me that
No, I never tell you nothing like that. But I will admit that there are two outstanding institutions on North Street.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man,
St. George's and the Daily Gleaner.
Never be the same.
My friend, I love them to death. Fantastic.
Congratulations.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And good luck as you move on. What you did it wasn't easy. To be thrown out, to come back in, and as you say, when him say him sleep in the blocks, what he meant, make sure and not getting up too quick.
Yes.
And the coaches, I'm sure, told him that don't anticipate, react.
Yes.
So what you did, brother, brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Fantastic, fantastic.
And brilliant to the entire school on their 100th year. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. God bless everybody. Look after yourself. My brother, I love you, youth.
All right, Kingston College's coaches Marlon Perry and Richard Smith, track team manager Donovan Germain, and the athletes. After the break, guys, we will be highlighting World Autism Awareness
By the way,
Day.
Donovan is also the Manning Cup manager too. He is just a manager.
He's a manager, and he's a manager everybody and everything.
Yeah. By the way, my manager is here. see if we can win something.
You heard it right here on Sky Jamaica, okay?
We're so cool. See if we can win something.
The final time, Marcinho Rose. I told you, this boy makes running look easy. He's supreme. He's commanding. Fantastic performance. Kingston College, anchored by Marcinho Rose, Calabar and JC.